Hello. Hello. Humans are not the only cause of climate change. However, humans have greatly increased the production of CO2 into the atmosphere, increasing the greenhouse effect. Plants are being affected by the higher CO2 levels and changing climate. Some negative effects are trees are blooming sooner and plant ranges have shifted. Researchers from the University of Washington in Seattle have studied 300 plant species in western North America. They have found that 60% of plants they studied shifted toward lower elevations as the climate changed. Researchers have found that increased carbon dioxide concentrations help speed up
photosynthesis
by as much as 40%. The effects of climate change on plant growth will likely vary by region. The northern areas in places like Russia, China, and Canada gaining growing days. Already hot tropical regions could lose as many as 200 growing days per year. Also, nearly every state has seen the growing seasons get longer, especially California and Arizona. Another effect is the length of frost-free seasons, which affects growing seasons. Recent data shows earlier final spring frost and later first fall frosts. Colder regions have become increasingly more hospitable to plants. A 7% decline in the average number of freezing days will actually aid plant growth.
A possible solution would be to integrate reusable energy sources such as water, solar, and wind power, which don't produce CO2 emissions. We can use these energy sources as 70% of where we get our energy within the next 2 decades.